guys, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, but right now I'm clearly in a kitchen. So I am not in New York, but regardless, I'm still here to help you figure out what to eat and why. While hanging around the house 24/7 with easy access to the kitchen, it's pretty much inevitable that you're going to get a case of the mindless munchies. While eyeing the news or scrolling the gram, it's only a matter of time before you realize you polished off your favorite bag of this or a container of that. I want to start off this episode by reassuring you that this behavior is okay and 100% normal. Moments when we feel like we have no control can change our appetites, our cravings, and even our taste buds. I promise that you aren't the only one that may be feeling this way. And I'm here to help you navigate these unprecedented times. Let's get munching. Let's begin with the carb, fat, and protein rule. So it basically means when you're putting together a meal or a snack, you're getting a carb, a healthy fat, and a protein. This combo will help you stay full and satiated when all eaten together. So let's say you grab a handful of grapes, carrots, or crackers, and you find yourself hungry in about 15 to 20 minutes later. What do you do now? Next time, just simply pairing it with cheese, nuts, hummus, or guac will help you stay satiated and fuller longer. Just try to limit the salt. The limit does exist when it comes to salt. Well, salt can cause bloating, dehydration, and fatigue. Here are some less salty swaps. Opt for low-sodium popcorn, crackers, or chips, or you can make your own potato chips at home. That way, you can control how much salt you're using. Stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking that H2O. Guess what? The body can confuse dehydration and hunger. So often, we really just need water instead of a snack. So keep a water bottle handy to make sure you stay hydrated all day. Eat whole foods, but not just the grocery store. Whole foods are better for vitamin and mineral absorption and ensures you're getting a lot of antioxidants. To make sure that you grab whole foods first, make them easily accessible, like putting them on the counter or center stage in your refrigerator. I get it. Processed foods are delicious and shelf-stable and comforting during times of uncertainty. Just remember, processed foods lack fiber and are full of sugar, so they're likely to leave you hungry and wanting more. Don't worry, you don't have to cut them out, just practice moderation. Let's portion your snacks into bowls rather than eating out of the container. Portioning your snacks into bowls helps avoid the stress of, did I eat too much or not enough? And a reminder to check the nutrition label to see what the recommended portion size is. When possible, try to snack on a schedule. And yes, it's okay to plan out your snacks. Staying on a snacking schedule helps add routine to an otherwise very blurry day. If you're snacking between meals, make sure it's not so filling, so when lunch or dinner time rolls around, you're actually hungry. Try to snack at the same time every day, so your body gets used to that snacking schedule. Check in with your body to differentiate hunger and boredom. It is key to know the difference to make sure that you are staying in tune with your body, and so you can ensure that you're actually hungry for your next upcoming nutrient-filled meal. To tell the difference between hunger and boredom, make a smaller snack, finish it, wait 15 minutes before getting another one just to check in with your body if you are actually hungry or bored. If you are a starvin' Marvin after that, go ahead and make yourself another snack. But if you're not, maybe you just need some good old distraction like The Last Dance to get your mind off of the pantry. In the end, we all snack, and it is normal to find yourself yourself gravitating more towards the pantry or the fridge during these stressful times. We are going through an unprecedented time during a pandemic. And if you do happen to polish off a bag of potato chips, don't worry, I've been there too. It is totally normal and 100% okay. Thank you for watching this episode of You vs. Food. Happy snacking! Before you go raid the pantry, which is totally okay, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel today.